Hi, welcome to Her Tool Belt. Thanks for tuning in. I love to make things out of free wood like pallets, barnwood, and other reclaimed lumber just to see what I can whip up from something that may be trash. So today's project fits that bill perfectly. It's for a pallet pumpkin that I'm going to be using scrap pieces of pallet slats, but if you don't have access to pallets, then cedar fence pickets that you can get like at Home Depot are perfect for this project too. A 6-foot board usually runs around $2.50 to $3, so it's super affordable. Today I'm participating in Remodelaholics Halloween Decor Challenge, and there'll be a whole playlist with other great ideas for Halloween decor. So make sure to check that out. Lay out your wood slats however you want your pumpkin to look. Put the template on the wood slats. One suggestion is just make sure the stem is on a solid piece. Thanks for watching the Pallet Pumpkin tutorial. Make sure to check out the playlist with the other Halloween decor projects. And if you love pumpkins, make sure to check out my stump pumpkin tutorial that's made from wood stumps. See you next time.